guys over here at the Hoonigan's pit on the outside of SEMA. It's been a great time. Right now we're getting ready to pull out in the middle and do a burnout in the D-rod. See how it goes. I kind of think I brought the too wide of tires for it, but this 12 valve makes a lot of torque. If I get it up on boost and just stay in it, they should just smoke fine. Let's go do it.
Behind the machine on that side. We have one to go.
We got a compass. We got a compass in that thing. Man, sir, you gonna party? Show these people how you do this thing. See what's in the Burnyard. SEMA, let this man hear you! We're gonna bring a show car in here. You gotta tell us. All right, here we go. This has been going on for like 15 years at the start, but I think I just tackled the front axle on this thing. So we're going to try to get into it. Oh yeah! Hey, you can leave the track there! They're trying to use the bigger back. Hey, this is some ingenuity right here. Wait, what's going on here? You guys want to see more than the road? We're not done yet! We're just getting started! Let's make some noise!
can't believe it didn't.
So I could see it from out there trying to get up on it, and it wasn't going into fuel. So I ran up here and I shoved hit the wall.
When I hit the wall, it turned
the fuel off a little bit. So I shoved the fuel.
So I'm like, oh man, I did something internal, and then Dustin like shoved the rack forward, and whoa, I thought my fucking nitrous kicked on. I was like, and it might have. I don't know. I turned everything on. I was like,
That was the wildest 10 minutes.
this
Party train rolling.
God, all the donuts I've done, I've never been my front axle. Look at that. If I had some tools, I could straighten that shit out right now. I need to
Send them on in. Let's go.
He's gonna be over here working on it.
Let's go. T-Pain once more.
Hey, Herb, actually, I got a question for her.
It's crazy. I didn't feel like I hit it that hard, but I couldn't see.
I couldn't see either.
Only diesel powered rat rod. So this is where we hit the wall. Bent the axle right here. So we got a little winch hooked up to this Jeep that's been sitting here. Over here, check this out. We got a professional Jeep operators that can professionally run this winch. This badass Rubicon down here around the pole. Hold up to here. Ron Jeremy's running it, making sure we're ready.
Hey, the Rust Bros are going to one thing, and that's fixing people's...
Right. Yeah, we got the Rust Bros out here, hammering it down. We got industrial, we got all our good support.
Motor still runs.
Motor still runs. We blew off, we blew 2 fuel lines off of it. Yeah, 2 fuel lines blew off.
Okay.
But we survived.
Okay, give her the what fucking for.
Come on. The problem is it's bent so far back it won't turn right.
Yeah.
If I can just get it where I can get it out later, be happy. If we can concentrate it right there and not all that, I think it would bend. Right there. Let's try it. Let's try it.
Hey, suck on that fucking thing some more.
He said it's dragging it.
Well, put the fucking brakes on. Leave the brakes on. Put that fucking hunk of shit in front of the wheel right there. Just suck on that. We'll find this happy spot.
Thank you, brother. This was wild. What's up, brother? How are you? Awesome, dude. The D-Rod did pretty good. We had a great time. We did break 2 fuel lines. I don't know what happened, but like literally like stripped the threads off one of the injectors. The fuel pressure was so great. There's so much vibration in them fuel lines, and they don't really have any holders on them. It blew the fuel lines off of it. So we caught on fire. We caught on fire for a few minutes. Put the fire out, got it back up against the wall where we could really do a burnout. The last burnout that you'll see on this video was done on 4 cylinders because we had no fuel going to 2 injectors. And I learned that when I got over here. I was like, why is this thing misfiring so bad? I knew we broke 1 fuel line, but I didn't know we broke 2. It's really amazing what a 12 valve will do under boost on 4 cylinders. That was 4 cylinders, and them tires were hot and they were sticky, and it still just ate it up. So it was a lot of fun, and super excited to be here today. I'm glad we came to SEMA this year, and we had lots of cars here, lots of support. I feel like the vibe of SEMA is actually better than I've seen it in the past 4 years. I was pretty surprised in the support with the diesel rat rod out here because, you know, this car's 15 years old. I did my first burnout in a church parking lot in 2008 with the car that went viral on YouTube way back. A lot of the kids that are here today were barely even born when I did that video. So it's really crazy to see them walk up and be like, oh man, that was so cool, and they've never even seen it before. And really, it's kind of old news. It was such a cool time to be out here and like be in it with all these guys. There's so many guys in here with so much talent that are building cool stuff. It's mind-blowing. This next generation is certainly turning on the heat, and it's really cool to see that we have the younger guys really wanting to be into this and really want to love this sport, because, you know, we don't want it to die. We want to love it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.